Hello all, Vinod here from Entrance Engineering Academy. So in this particular video, I want to talk about one important announcement from Endurance Engineering Academy side. So the announcement is we are launching GATE XE course, okay, specifically a course which is made specifically for XE. Okay, but I just want to make it very clear that general aptitude won't be included in that. Okay, so general aptitude is not included. If you want to know about XE, I already made a video about XE. Like the last video which I made was about XE. I will be adding it. I will be adding that in the description. Okay, so you can check it out. Okay, now let us come back for this video. The purpose of this video is to inform that EEA has launched GATE XE course. Okay, a complete full-fledged video course for GATE XE. Okay, but as you know that I belong to mechanical engineering, so I'm not going to concentrate on the topics which are other than mechanical engineering side. Okay, and that too, what I was planning is I will be just explaining to you. Okay, so just wait for a moment. Right, see, GATE XE. Okay, so the course covers XEA, XEB and XEE. XEA is engineering mathematics, okay, fluid mechanics, and XEE is thermodynamics. So if you are planning to write XE paper such that mathematics and aptitude will be a compulsory paper, which we know. In addition to that, you need to select two papers, right? So if you are planning to select B and E, that is fluid mechanics and thermodynamics, then this course is for you. Just wait for a moment, watch this video until the end. Okay, so I have some surprises for you. Right, see, if I say this like engineering mathematics, fluid mechanics and thermodynamics, if I say this to any ME aspirant, okay, so their first thought will be, sir, what is there in this? Like if I prepare for ME, then I can appear in XE, right? That is a problem. Okay, that is not true. If you prepare for ME, you can able to attend questions of XE, but around 20 to 25% there was a syllabus change. 75% syllabus was same. Okay, I'm just concentrating on max and the core part only. General aptitude, let us keep it away. Okay, so I'm not going to concentrate on that. So in that 85 marks, okay, 85 marks of core plus max, there was around 20 to 25% of syllabus which is not included in ME. Okay, but it is included in XE. Okay, right, listen. See, this course is going to cover the entire syllabus of XE. Okay, you can just refer to the syllabus which has been released recently by GATE 2021. Okay, GATE 2021, they released the syllabus and you could check the XE syllabus also. And why I am launching this course suddenly? Because if you see, the plan is not to launch any full-term course this year, because our plan is to go for a single subject course. Okay, so until this year end, and next year I thought of launching GATE 2022 ME. Okay, the complete course GATE 2022 ME. But now, as we know that there was a recent announcement. Okay, so that GATE 2021, like the students who are going to appear for GATE 2021 can appear in two papers. One is ME. Like if you are going to appear in ME, then ME combined with XE you can appear. If you are going to write AE, that is aeronautical, then AE combined with XE you can write. Okay, those types of restrictions has been recently they released. Okay, those types of combination they released, which means an aspirant who is going to appear in exam can appear in two papers, not only one paper. Okay, so this a small notification has been released before some 20 days. Okay, that time I made one video on that. So from that time I was just thinking about this XE course. If suppose if ME students are allowed to write XE also, then that time I decided that okay, fine, let us do a course for XE. Okay, but that is not confirmed that time. Recently, before 2 days only, they confirmed that ME can write XE and AE can also write XE, aeronautical can also write XE. Okay, so as they confirmed it recently, okay, then I fixed it. Fine, let us launch a course on XE, because you know, from XE, if you are aiming for MTech, if you are aiming for MTech, then obviously you will be aiming something like IIT Madras or Bombay or IISc Bangalore, like that, right? And in XE you have some biggest advantage of getting even core department also, but there are some restrictions. Okay, so nothing can happen that easily, right? So in XE only IIT Madras and IIT Bombay are accepting core departments. Okay, so XE are allowed in core department means I was talking about manufacturing and what is that, thermal and machine design. Okay, so only in this these three courses in IIT Madras and IIT Bombay only they are allowing through XE. They are intaking through XE. Okay, so but still it's a good opportunity because the competition in XE will be comparatively less. Let me talk about it. Okay, right. So that is the reason. So first of all, that is the reason why I am launching this XE course now. Okay, the first promise which I am going to give is the course will be covered in detailed manner. Okay, and each and every topic which is mentioned in the XE course will be covered. Okay, nothing will be skipped. All the concepts will be covered. Right, now listen. So what this course comprises of? First thing, it comprises this 4 subjects: engineering max, fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, applied thermodynamics. These 4 subjects syllabus will be same as that of ME. Okay, if you are going to appear GATE ME, this 4 subject syllabus is same as that of ME. Okay, plus additional topics which is required only for XE, that is XEA, XEB and XEE. Okay, additional topic which is required only for XE. What are all those additional topics? If you see max, in addition to the topics which we uploaded in engineering max course, okay, in addition to the topic which is uploaded in engineering max course, extra topics such as limit continuity of 2 variable function. Generally we used to study about limit continuity of a single variable function in a normal engineering mathematics course. Okay, so for all the other departments, ME or CE or whatever department may be, we will be studying about single variable functions limit continuity only. But XE, they specifically mentioned what is that, functions of 2 variable in a specific topic. They mentioned it in detail. Okay, so in that they clearly mentioned limit continuity, they mentioned about method of Lagrange multipliers, and they specifically introduced convergence of sequence and series. Actually, in this course itself, I covered some examples of convergence of sequence and series, but what I will be doing in this additional topics, I will be including more examples. Okay, so that it will be more convenient for us in XE. Okay. Next, this power series solution, Lagrange polynomials, Basel polynomials, all those things are not there in ME. Okay, not there in ME, but they are there in XE. Okay, and PDE, partial differential equations. Actually, PDE was there in civil engineering syllabus, but it is not there in mechanical engineering syllabus. And now in this XE course, I will be including more problems on PDE, and I will be discussing about PDE more. Okay, right. So these are the extra topics. These are the extra topics in max, engineering max. Okay. Now coming for FM, there was a lots of changes, man. RTT. Okay, we will never talk about Reynolds transport theorem when we are discussing ME fluid mechanics. Okay. But once if it comes to XE, they separately have a section for RTT, Reynolds transport theorem. Okay, so that is going to be a very important part because they separately given it as a section. Okay, and Navier-Stokes equation, of course, few of them might study Navier-Stokes equation there itself, but as of my approach for ME, without Navier-Stokes equation itself, we can solve all the problems. But if you are going for XE, then Navier-Stokes equation has to be studied separately. Okay. Then source, sink, doublet and their superposition, vortex, all the topics are not there in ME. Okay, all these are extra in XE. Okay, and concept of lift. If you see in ME fluid mechanics, we will be covering only the basics of boundary layer and boundary layer equations, and drag we will be covering. But lift, we won't talk about lift there. Okay, but for XE, concept of lift is required. Okay, these are the additional topics which is going to be added in 2. Okay, so what actually this course, GATE XE course, comprises of? 1, all the topics which is covered for ME. Okay, all the topics which is covered for ME, engineering max, fluid mechanics and thermodynamics, applied thermodynamics, which is covered for ME. All the topics will be included. In 2, all the additional topics, as I was mentioned here, all the additional max topics and all the additional FM topics. And these 2, actually if you see TD, almost 95% TD syllabus are same. Okay, so only this 2, compressibility factor and generalized compressibility chart, that is the one thing which is in addition. Okay, if you compare it with ME. Okay, but these 2 are something which is heavy. Okay, max topics also, there was a huge topic which is like what I could say, which is included, which is additional, extra compared with ME. FM also, they are like, it is like some 20% of the syllabus has been added. Okay, one complete section is getting added. Okay, right. So what is our plan? Very simple. This total course you can access. Okay, then additional topics of Max, FM and TD. Then finally, very important one, previous year questions of solved questions of XC. I will be solving, okay, I will be explaining around 400 questions of previous year XC paper, okay, which covers mathematics, fluid mechanics and thermodynamics, not other topics, okay, because this course is designated to A, B and E. Okay, the students who are going to write B and E, that is fluid mechanics and thermodynamics, and of course mathematics will be included, okay, because mathematics is compulsory, right? So I will be covering around 400 problems, which is completely previous year XC. See, what is the special thing about this? If you go and check in the market, there is no specific book which provide a proper solution for XC questions. There are some books which they are providing solutions, but that is not at all good. Everyone knows that already, because the level of questions which they are asking in XC is not that easy. The level was bit high. Okay, the level was bit higher than that of ME. Okay, so there is no book which provide complete solution of XC, and here I am guaranteeing you that around 400 questions I will be solving from previous year XC. Okay, from previous year XC. That will be our third topic of the course. Okay, so this course we can divide it into three subdivisions. Okay, the first subdivision is the syllabus, which is same as that of ME. Second subdivision, all the additional parts, additional topics. Third subdivision, like almost all, like why I'm saying almost all, because I won't solve all the problems, because there will be some repetitive problems, right? So repetitive problems I won't be solving, okay, right? So around 400, I can guarantee you that. Okay, around 400 previous year XC questions, I will be solving it. You have to understand that properly. I am not going to give you as a PDF file. I will be solving it in video. Okay, so that is a huge work. You have to understand that. Seriously, this too is a huge work. Okay, especially third one was a huge work, because if you think about previous year XC paper, the first thing what I need to do, I need to collect the questions. That is very easy, will be available in the internet. I need to do solution for each and every question individually. Then need to type it. Actually, typing, there are persons for typing, that's not an issue. After that, I need to upload it in the I need to I need to do the questions as a video. Okay, instead of doing it as a PDF, I need to do it as a video. So there was a huge work which is associated with this 3, and even 2 also, because if you see 2, all the topics are new, fresh, right, which is not going to be there in ME, right? So now, so this is the complete agenda of XC course. Okay, so the course which we are going to which we already launched. I will be giving you the link in the description box. Okay, now when will be the course available? Okay, if you see, engineering mathematics already uploaded all the videos, fluid mechanics already uploaded all the videos, thermodynamics, which is ongoing subject, presently we are in entropy, I am uploading entropy. Obviously thermodynamics plan, it's to complete in August. The complete basic thermodynamics will be completed in August, and September 1st week we are starting applied thermodynamics. September 1st week we are starting applied thermodynamics, right? Next, so when September ends, all topics of ME, okay, which is needed for XC-ABE will be covered. Okay, so that is, this first part will be covered. Now next, October 1st week I am starting all the additional topics. Okay, so I will be starting it from Max only. So additional topic I will start from Max, then I will come for FM, then I will come for TD. Okay, and these 3 will be completed in October. Then October ending. Okay, finally previous year questions, like previous year XC questions, will be done in October end to November, like November 15th or something like that. Okay, November mid. Okay, now listen carefully. This is additional questions other than the questions which we are covering in the course. if you see engineering mathematics course, in each chapter like around some 20-25, I'm just giving you less questions actually. In calculus and all I solved many questions, like some 60-70 questions I solved in calculus. Okay, depending on the chapter I reduced the questions. Okay, so in few chapters I solved more questions, in few chapters I solved less questions. So in the course itself, separate questions will be covered. Okay, like once if I complete linear algebra, if I complete eigenvalues, I will solve the problems of eigenvalue. If I complete this topic, I will be covering the problems of that topic. All those things will be done in course itself. These third one is additional. It is like revising entirely. Okay, revising the entire topic 1 and topic 2, that is this 4-1 and all this additional. So we will be revising it entirely by using previous year XC questions. Okay, right. So, and if you see this, as I was saying about questions, fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, applied thermodynamics, there is something called as rapid revision questions. What is mean by rapid revision questions? Once if I complete a chapter, first chapter, I will be doing n number of questions in that particular chapter. But that questions I will be solving it somewhat fast, because that is going to act as a revision for you for the first chapter. Similarly, after completing the second chapter fully, I will be doing some n number of questions. If you won't believe that, recently I uploaded first law. In that first law, I solved around some 50 questions. Okay, around 50 questions only for first law. Okay, since I uploaded recently, I remember the exact number of questions. Okay, but in almost all the other chapters also, the number of questions will depend on the chapter's importance. If you see thermodynamics, first law is very important. Okay, first law, heat and work. So obviously the number of questions which has to be solved will be more. Similarly, entropy is very important. So in entropy, I will be solving more questions. So it depends on the chapter, and it depends on the chapter, the questions will increase or the questions will decrease. If you see the introduction, basic part, I would have solved some 10 questions. Because basics, introduction of thermodynamics, there is nothing much to solve. Okay, so mostly theory, right? So that is all about introducing this course to you. Okay, so the course cost, I didn't talk about that, right? It is rupees 7999. Okay, 7,999, and the course will be valid for 1 year. Okay, even though GATE exam happens in February, if you register today, from today your course will be valid for 1 year. Okay, right. And if you are a student of third year, that is, you are going to appear GATE 2021 as a third year, which obviously means that you will be writing 2021 and 2022. So if you are preparing for 2022, then intimate me before registering. I will be extending your validity to 2 years, but the cost will increase accordingly. I will be talking about that cost. You can just message me in WhatsApp. Okay, if you are preparing for 2021, then this will be your cost 7,999. Okay, which includes all this 3. Okay, complete ME topic of that 4 subject, additional topic of XC, around 400 questions, previous year questions of XC. Okay, now in addition to this, doubt support. For XC, my plan is to create a separate group for XC. Okay, to guide them properly, what to read, what not to read, how to start, all those things. Okay, so that group will be there. And then for each subject, engineering mathematics, fluid mechanics, thermo, applied thermo, we have a separate group, and you will be getting added into that group. And your questions, your doubts will be answered from my side. I will be answering your doubts. I will be answering your queries, right? So that is about doubt support, and you can believe our doubt support. Okay, already in a previous videos also, one of our user, one of my student who is using our course presently has written about our reviews. Okay, reviews of our doubt support. You can check that also. Okay, so last and final thing, the guarantee which I am going to give you, if you are going to watch each and every video of this video course properly, and if you are going to solve all the problems which I am solving in the video course again, you need to solve it again properly, understand it properly. Okay, once if you utilize this video course properly, okay, by what I could say, by whatever you, as per the plan, I'm going to give you the plan, right? So as per the plan, if you are going to utilize it properly, I can guaranteely say, out of this 85 marks, you will be in the position for attending around 80%. Okay, not even 80, more than 80 I could say, 80 to 85% of questions of this 85 marks. I can guaranteely say 80 to 85% of questions out of this 85 marks you are able to attend. You might ask me a question, sir, what I should do for general aptitude? Just wait for some 2 or 3 days. I will be uploading a video regarding general aptitude, how to prepare, where to prepare, what to prepare, all those things. I will be uploading it. I will be uploading it soon in 1 or 2 days. Okay, so regarding general aptitude, regarding core subject and regarding core subject and mathematics, if you are preparing for Academy-EEA, then I am giving you a guarantee that you can attempt 80 to 85% of the questions. But there is one more thing which is very important, that is your accuracy, your time management, and your hard work. Okay, see, if you see, you can learn the concept, you will understand it, everything will be fine. But if you are not providing your hard work, if you are not practicing properly, if you are not writing the test properly, then it has no use in learning all the concepts also. Finally, your performance in your exam won't be that much good. So performance in the exam, okay, it depends on you and me, right? But the ability for answering 80 to 85% of the questions, that is, if you see XCABE paper, I can guarantee you say that you will be able to solve this 80 to 85%. But whether you are solving in the examination hall or not, it depends on you. Why I am saying that? Because you need to practice properly. Your side work is very, very important. You need to take notes properly, short notes properly, you have to revise properly. Previous year questions, you just don't, I will be solving all the previous year questions, but you also have to solve it again. You have to understand it. All those things are there. So finally the conclusion is, if you are an aspirant who is going to write XC paper and who is going to choose fluid mechanics and thermodynamics as your optional, then this course is going to be highly beneficial for you. Okay, so any other queries you can message me in WhatsApp. Okay, if you are going to call me, just message me in WhatsApp before calling, as I was repeatedly saying this in all the videos. The reason I might be shooting, right, I might be shooting the videos. Okay, so that is the only reason. So if I was shooting the videos, then obviously I cannot attend the call. Okay, so just message me before you call, right? So I'm giving you the guarantee. Entire syllabus of XCA, B and E, that is fluid mechanics and thermodynamics, will be covered. Okay, in detailed manner. All your doubts will be resolved. And if you want to see our demo videos, okay, so already fluid mechanics, mathematics and thermodynamics demo videos are there. Just check the playlist, you will find out all the demo videos. Okay.